My name is Peter Hitchens. I'm a journalist and an author. I've been in my trade now for more than 40 years. In my teenage years, I was a bohemian troublemaker and a revolutionary Marxist. I don't think most people in my generation ever grew up. There's been a long process by which the people of this country have gradually surrendered their liberty in return for various forms of safety or comfort. It came in the form of a disease which people are told is so serious and so dangerous that the only way that they can protect themselves against it is to surrender a huge amount of their freedom and independence. The most precious possession which we have in this country is that of liberty. That is to say, we're born as free men and women. And this unique and precious possession is now disappearing before our very eyes. And what frightens and distresses me very much about the current age is that we have this extraordinary precious jewel in our possession which we are throwing away. But I know that most people find what I think and what I say to be shocking. What we are talking about, yes, is the slow death of freedom because people don't really want it anymore.